Snow, your equation is 10 plus 18. Again, Snow, 10 plus 18. So, magagamit time si Snow as your trainer Andre mag-study. Let's see if nagkaon niyang luha or nag-cellphone niya ni sila gabi. 10 plus 18, Snow. Okay, Snow, are you ready? Alright, Snow, now give us the first number. And Snow grabs number 8. Now did Snow pick the right number? Libog na sila, Snow. Again, did Snow pick the right number? Ay, din sa magtungo, Snow. Okay, Snow, finish your answer up to the second number. Oops. Libog si Snow. Sige na doon, i-tiktok si Snow na baby. 10 plus 8, Snow. Round 2, 10 plus 8. And there you go, so that's number 1. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. Let's give a round of applause for a great math wizard, Snow.